Good morning, everyone, and I apologize for not updating my nightly sort of New York, late London session position here on the Monday night, but I couldn't, and I probably won't be doing that for the rest of the week. I wanted to put a video out late last night, but I knew things wouldn't really change much, and they haven't on my USDCAD position. I worked till 1 a.m. and I had a meal when I got home and this and that. And yeah, I was exhausted. So, but I might tonight. Maybe I got up at like 10:30, so I might be feeling a little bit better. So just getting used to the night shifts for this week. So the pound is not too bad. If we can see a bit more of a recovery, I mean, the daily is still it's not too bad. To be fair, if to be realistic about this, sort of want where's this? Yeah, that's right, one Anna. So I do the line graph because that's the close of the candle, so it just looks a bit cleaner and it's a little bit easier to see. No, magenta. I want magenta. I think that's what I roll with. There we go. Okay, so that's where, and I like to have a little bit of a visual cue there. So we'll close this down. So as you can see, this was from last week where I got in and I closed out around here with a 1R. So I'd be looking for it to potentially test around here again, and then we could have a potential buy trade tonight. If I take a buy trade tonight, I'll update on my Instagram stories, and I was doing that, just me obviously talking, because I have a iPad that I use, and I can get stock quotes, but I can't get MetaTrader 4 on it. So and I could bring the laptop, but the thing with the laptop is it's a little bit old, so the battery's not great. Although it does have a USB port now they've put in my vehicle, but I won't be able to charge it probably from there. I don't have the capability to do that. I really need a PowerPoint. So I could use no. I need a PowerPoint. Anyway, let's disregard that. I won't be showing the MetaTrader 4 charts this evening, unfortunately. I'm going to be realistic. I don't really like driving around the laptop and it could break, and the battery's not very reliable because it's a bit old. All right, USD CAD. Where is the USD CAD? I just want to have a good... Okay, so here's where we're at. All right, so that is where it's holding. And here is... So we're, legitimately halfway to, to the stop. So this isn't bad on Monday. And I talked about this actually in my previous video. I think I mentioned it. I made an update video on Monday during the day, and I said, it wouldn't be bad to see this. It's trailing above now the 50. It's only the 20 day. No, that's the 50. That's the 55. Yeah. So it is quite above the 55-day moving average now. If we can really start petering down again, tonight, that would be good. And I'll update that, and I'll mention how it's going. I just won't have the chart here to explain myself. So again, really, the main pair of interest is definitely the pound for a re-entry here for a trend continuation. If it can get to sort of 135,905 level, but if it can't today, I'd still entertain a buy trade. But currently, I wouldn't get into this because there is a risk that it will come up, and I see it coming up, and then it's bouncing around. So, or if it doesn't hit this, it'll just trend sideways, and you never know, it might collapse further. There's a potential for that. So you can't sort of have expectations of a trade and demand to do something for you, because it's not. That's just not how the market works. Let's see the euro just out of curiosity. Sorry, I just sipping the coffee. Oh, and for the people that watch it, I will make a penny stock update video from yesterday's session as well. Apologies again. I was going to do it. There were a few plays. I didn't get to them. I was just working and I was driving around, and I just didn't want it. It's just dangerous. Like, I don't want to do that. So, just made some observations and some notes on some key moves and some trades that I could have hypothetically entered. I understand that's not really worthy, but that's how I'm operating, when I can't trade. So Euro, not interesting, to be honest. I mean, for my system anyway, I can't really trade that. And we'll just see the Aussie. See the Aussie. Is that the Aussie? See Euro. It reset. I think I closed this accidentally in it. It's like the default setting. No. So I really did pretty good on that trade to get as much as I could out of it. The more, I mentioned this, the more over 80 cents it is, it's just extremely, rare to see that. That was from May 2015 it got to, previously to this level. So it was just, very overbought. But other than that, guys, I'll end on the USDCAD. And where did the USDCAD go? It's closing things down. It's bumping it. I got bumped out. So yeah, that's where we're ending, guys. Immediate snapshot, that is bullish, to be honest. So, yeah, it is. Oh, okay, the daily, definite bounce. So we'll see. It either fades out or it's going to the stop. Okay, guys. So that's life if it does. But I will keep everyone updated. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day. Bye.